Hello, welcome to Domain and Range of Functions. In part 1, we're going to look specifically at what domain and range mean. So suppose that the relation t is defined as follows below. T equals the points 5, -9, -9, 0, -1, -1, and -2, 9. Give the domain and range of t, and then give your answers in set notation. Well, the first thing we need to look at is what do domain and what do range mean? So domain is the set of all the inputs of a function. So the domain is the input, or it's the x values. The range, then, is the set of all outputs in a function or the y values. So you can think of it two ways, inputs and outputs, or x's and y's. So if I recall, my ordered pairs are always x comma y, so I have x, y, x, y, x, y, x, y. So what this problem wants me to do is it wants me to write all of my x's in one set and all of my y's in one set. And set builder notation is actually what we have right here. So we're going to say the domain, or D, equals squiggly bracket D equals, and then we'll open up some parentheses here also, all of our x values. So we have 5, and we like to put them in numerical order from largest to smallest. So we have 5, -1, -2, -9. Close parentheses, close squiggly bracket. For range, I need to look at my y values. -9. Oh, excuse me, let's go with largest to smallest here. 9, 0, -1, and -9. Now, if you would like, you can keep the ordered pairs together and go just in the order. So I could have had 5, -9, excuse me, 5, -9, -1, and -2, and then kept -9, 0, -1, and 9 in order. That's fine. There's no real right way to do it. Let's look at writing domain and range one more time. Here I've got G of G equals 6, 3, -5, 4, 6, -7, and 0, -5. Suppose that the relation G is I read it already. Give the domain and range of G. So G's domain is all of the x values. So 6, -5, 6, and if I have 2, I don't list it twice, so I'm going to erase that 6, and then I have 0. Here's R, the range, all of my y values, 3, 4, -7, and -5. In this instance, I did not put them in order so I could show you a different way to list them. If I did put them in order, my 6 would go first, then my 0 and my -5 would be switched, My 4 would go first, and my 7 and my -7, -5 would be switched. So remember, just plug your x's and your y values into separate domain and range sets, and you'll be good. Good luck.